Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer steak bites and potatoes. Let's begin. We have here 5 potatoes that's already been washed, and we're using yellow potatoes. We also have here half a cup of chopped up green onions, and we'll use that later. We have here top sirloin steak, and it's around 1.38 pounds. We'll put that to the side for right now. We're going to cut up the potatoes first. We're just going to cut it in the middle, just like that. And then we're just going to slice it up, just like that. We're going to put them into a bowl. First, we're going to season it with some garlic powder. Mix them up. There you go. Some salt. Add more salt. And just a little bit more. Okay. Some onion powder. Mix them up. There you go. Some smoked paprika. Sprinkle some on. Mix them up. Add some more paprika. And just a little bit more paprika. There you go. Next, we're going to add some parsley. Mix them around. Add a little bit more parsley. And just a little bit more. Looking good. Next, we're going to add some cooking oil. There you go. Mix the oil around with the potatoes. Make sure it's all nicely mixed up with the oil. Okay, they're nicely mixed up. We're going to put that to the side. Let's open up the package for the top sirloin steak. It's around 1.38 pounds. This top sirloin steak is a little bit over a half an inch thick, and it's pretty thin. We're going to slice it up. There we go, we sliced it up. We're going to cut it into smaller pieces. Just like that. It should look like something like this. First, we're going to add some salt. Some garlic powder. Some onion powder. Some black pepper. Next, some smoked paprika. Flip it over and do the same thing. Okay, we season both sides. And also we're just going to add a little bit of parsley. There you go. We gotta put this in a bowl. Next, we're gonna add some cooking oil to the steak. There you go. Mix it all up with the oil. Okay, looking good. This is what it looks like before we put it in. And now let's preheat the air fryer. We're gonna turn it on. We're gonna push the preheat button. And we're gonna preheat it to 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the potatoes first. Make sure they're nicely spread out. Now let's put it in. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 20 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been 10 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. And we're going to flip them around. Spread them out. Okay, they're spread out. And now let's put it back in for the last 10 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. We're going to take a fork and see if they're soft. Oh yeah, they're really soft. So we're going to open up the basket and pour out the potatoes onto a plate. Next, we're going to take the steak that's been sitting out for 20 minutes and we're going to put it into the basket. Try to spread out the steak bites. Looking good. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 6 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 6 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. We have here 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and we're using Kerrygold pure Irish butter. We're going to take the melted butter and brush it on top. Next, we're going to take some chopped up green onions and sprinkle it on top. Okay, this is what we have today: air fryer, steak bites, and potatoes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Let's cut one open real quick. Here's a closer look. Here. Have a bite, and thanks for watching.